A trial court hearing charges against the Congress President Sonia Gandhi and her son Rahul in the high-profile National Herald case earlier this afternoon granted them unconditional bail on a personal bond of 50,000 rupees each, while the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, filed the bail bond on behalf of Sonia Gandhi. Her daughter Priyanka Vadra did the same for her brother Rahul. The heavily secured Patiala House Court saw virtually the entire Congress leadership attending the proceedings in solidarity. The court will next hear the case on the 20th of February. All the other accused have also received bail in the case without any conditions. They have not been exempted from future personal appearances, which means they will have to come into court, but they can travel abroad should they wish to do so. The trial court had summoned them as the accused in this case, taking cognizance of the complaint by the BJP leader Dr. Subramanian Swamy against them for alleged cheating and misappropriation of funds in taking control of the now defunct National Herald newspaper. Well, let's bring you some of the big points that happened today. Bail for Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi on a personal surety of 50,000 rupees each. The next case is going to come up in the month of February. There have been several reactions which have also been coming up in this case. Let's just bring you some of them. All right, a couple of main points that we can bring you out, as I've been mentioning. A bail on a personal bond of 50,000 rupees and a surety of 50,000 rupees each. It was a hearing that lasted just 5 minutes. Subramanian Swamy, the petitioner in this case, now a BJP leader, but remember he wasn't with the BJP when he'd filed this case as a citizen earlier on. He had sought travel restrictions on the Gandhis. The court had said no to that. The court has said that they are well-known citizens of good public standing and therefore there is no question of denying them the right to travel. Subramanian Swamy had argued that if given bail, the Gandhis would end up running away. The court clearly didn't agree with this. The court said that there is no need for travel restrictions on Rahul Gandhi and on Sonia Gandhi. Shortly after they came out of court, there were reactions which came in from the Gandhis. There was a press conference briefly addressed by Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. There was also a statement from Subramanian Swamy, each side claiming that a relative victory of sorts in today's court proceedings. Let's listen in to what Sonia Gandhi first had to say.
आज अदालत में मैं साफ मन से पेश हुई हूँ, जैसे कि किसी भी कानून का पालन करने वाले नागरिक को करना चाहिए। देश के कानून बिना किसी भय और पक्षपात के सभी के ऊपर बराबर लागू होते हैं। मुझे जरा भी संदेह नहीं है, सच्चाई सामने आएगी। हम अपने राजनीतिक विरोधियों के हमले और उनके निंदा के अभियान से पूरी तरह वाकिफ है। यह सिलसिला पीढ़ियों से चला आ रहा है। यह और बात है कि ये लोग हमें कभी भी अपने रास्ते से हटा नहीं पाए। मौजूदा केंद्र सरकार अपने विरोधियों को जानबूझकर निशाना बना रही है और इसके लिए वो सरकारी एजेंसी का पूरी तरह से इस्तेमाल कर रही है। हम में से कोई भी डरने वाला नहीं है। इनके खिलाफ हमारी लड़ाई जारी रहेगी। कांग्रेस के सिद्धांतों, कांग्रेस की नीतियों और गरीबों के हितों की रक्षा के लिए हमारा संघर्ष जारी रहेगा।
मैं कानून का आदर करता हूं। मोदी जी झूठे इल्जाम लगवाते हैं और वो सोचते हैं कि विपक्ष झुक जाएगा। मैं हिंदुस्तान के हर नागरिक को बताना चाहता हूं कि मैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी नहीं झुकेंगे। मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि हम गरीब लोगों के लिए, कमजोर लोगों के लिए लड़ते रहेंगे, हम विपक्ष का काम करते रहेंगे और हम 1 इंच पीछे नहीं जाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, the Congress Party is united in support of what Sonia ji and Rahul ji have mentioned just now. We will fight and we will give a determined fight because we stand for certain values, certain ideas, certain ideals, and nobody can detract the Congress Party from that path.
It is most unfortunate that Dr. Swamy, inside the court, in a matter where he knows that each of the accused have roots in society, have never been accused of a similar offence, the offence itself is not very serious, have themselves voluntarily presented themselves in court, despite all this insisted on passport and travel restrictions. Point number 1. Point number 2, the court heard patiently our arguments, myself and Kapil Sibal, and Dr. Swamy's arguments, and then rejected his plea for passport and travel restrictions. Number 3, we have sought nothing else. We filed only 6 applications for bail and not a single other application. So if Dr. Swamy has said so, it's most unfortunate. It is completely wrong, false. Fourthly, the only person for whom exemption was sought was Sam Pitroda, who has a serious ear operation and is in the USA, and the exemption was readily granted. He will be appearing in or after 15th of January. Those are the facts. There were at least 50 people inside the court, everybody knows.
I will win this case during the year of 2016. Ms. Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, all will be sentenced to a prison terms. That I am sure, because this is an open shut case, it's based on documents, it's not based on witnesses. The issue is that this vendetta question was raised before the trial court judge, Ms. Manocha. It was raised before Justice Sunil Gaur. Both have dismissed it. Supreme Court in previous judgments, also in the Bhajanlal case of 1992, they dismissed it. They say that each time, maybe there's a vendetta, but the fact is we have to look at the data, the facts, and so on. If the facts are strong, it doesn't matter whether a person has brought it to the notice of the police authorities because of a vendetta.
जब हम इसीलिए कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस फ्री भारत, कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत, तो हमारा सीधा अर्थ है कि करप्शन मुक्त भारत. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली कांग्रेस एंड करप्शन मेड फॉर ईच अदर. कांग्रेस पार्टी को एक बार फिर से आत्मचिंतन करना चाहिए. जिस तरह का उनका नकारात्मक, अहंकार भरा हुआ रवैया अभी तक है, उससे एक बात बार बार देश के सामने साफ हो रही है, देश को बार बार दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि कांग्रेस आज भी करप्शन के साथ खड़ी हुई है.